go-to channel for all things home decor. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're reaching new heights and talking about a design element that can completely transform your outdoor space. The high deck. Have you ever looked at a two-story home and wondered how to make the backyard usable and beautiful? A high deck is the perfect solution. But what exactly is a high deck? A high deck, also known as an elevated deck, is a deck that is built above ground level, typically to a height that aligns with the first or second story of a house. Unlike ground-level patios, these decks are supported by a series of posts and beams, and are often accessed from an upper floor of the home through a door or balcony. The design possibilities are endless, ranging from simple, single-level structures to multi-tiered, complex entertainment spaces. A high deck can be a simple extension of your home's living area, or a complete outdoor retreat with its own unique features. So, why would you want a high deck? The benefits are numerous and go far beyond just aesthetics. First, they dramatically expand your living space, giving you a functional and comfortable area for dining, lounging, and entertaining right off your home's main living area. This creates a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor living, making your home feel bigger and more connected to the outdoors. Second, an elevated deck can offer spectacular views, whether it's of your lush backyard, a scenic landscape, or even a city skyline. By elevating the space, you gain a new perspective and take full advantage of your property's surroundings. Third, high decks are incredibly versatile. You can design them to be covered, partially covered, or open air, allowing you to create a space that suits your climate and lifestyle. They can incorporate everything from outdoor kitchens and fire pits to hot tubs and lounge areas. Finally, they can be a great way to utilize sloped or uneven yards. Instead of costly grading and landscaping, a high deck can be built to accommodate the terrain, turning an otherwise unusable space into a beautiful and functional part of your home. Decorating a high deck is all about creating a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. Start by defining different zones for various activities, such as a dining area, a lounge space, and a grilling station. Use outdoor rugs to anchor each zone and add a pop of color and texture. Layering is key. Incorporate a variety of seating options like sectionals, armchairs, and ottomans to make the space feel comfortable and welcoming. Don't forget about lighting. String lights, post cap lights, and path lights not only add a magical ambience at night but also improve safety. Finally, bring in the greenery. Potted plants, hanging baskets, and planter boxes can add life and color, making your deck feel like a natural extension of your garden. Choose plants that thrive in your deck's specific sun exposure. Here are some of the best items to consider for your high deck to make it truly amazing. First, durable outdoor furniture. Invest in high-quality, weather-resistant furniture made from materials like teak, aluminum, or synthetic wicker. Second, outdoor kitchen or bar. A built-in grill, countertop space, and maybe even a mini fridge can make your deck the ultimate entertaining spot. Third, a fire pit or outdoor fireplace. Perfect for extending your deck's usability into cooler evenings and creating a cozy focal point. Fourth, stylish planters and greenery. Use a mix of large and small planters with a variety of plants to add color, texture, and a touch of nature. Fifth, strategic lighting. This includes everything from subtle stair and rail lighting to dramatic overhead string lights or lanterns. Sixth, outdoor rugs. Define different areas and add comfort and style. Seventh, shade solutions. Umbrellas, pergolas, or retractable awnings are essential for sun protection and making the space comfortable on hot days. Eighth, hot tub or spa. For the ultimate luxury and relaxation, a hot tub can be incorporated into your deck design. Ninth, decorative pillows and throws. These add a layer of comfort and can easily be changed to update the look of your deck. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here are the compilation of the top 10 best outdoor kitchen ideas for small patios to inspire you for your next project. 1. The circular gazebo and tiered deck. This unique design features a spectacular circular gazebo, creating a distinct and intimate outdoor room on the deck. The gazebo, with its elegant white railing and classic roof, is perfect for a cozy dining area or a lounge. The deck itself is expansive, with multiple tiers and a wide, grand staircase leading down to the lawn. The rich brown deck skirting adds a solid base, and the contrast between the white railing and brown decking creates a timeless, classic look. This design is perfect for those who want to create a standout feature in their backyard. 2. The multi-level deck with a built-in hot tub. This high-deck design demonstrates how to create a cozy and functional space in a more natural setting. The deck is built around a mature tree, which provides natural shade and integrates the structure with the landscape. The lower level features a built-in hot tub, creating a semi-private spa area. The upper deck is an ideal spot for grilling and outdoor dining. The warm glow of the integrated stair lights and landscape lighting highlights the different levels and the beautiful stone pathway leading to the deck, making it an inviting space for evening relaxation. 3. The modern pergola and stone bar deck. This design beautifully blends modern and rustic elements. A sleek, black modern pergola provides a stylish, partially shaded cover over the deck seating area. The deck's bar and grill station are built into a magnificent stone structure, providing a sturdy and beautiful focal point. The curved railing adds a soft, organic touch, while the stairs lead down to a spacious concrete patio area below, perfect for additional seating or a play space. The clean lines of the deck and the contrast between the stone and wood materials create a sophisticated and inviting outdoor space. 4. The double-duty deck with underdeck patio. This elevated deck provides a fantastic two-in-one solution. The upper deck offers a spacious and open-air spot for dining and enjoying the view of the surrounding trees. But the genius lies below. The area under the deck has been transformed into a fully functional covered patio space. With a solid, water-resistant underdeck system, the area is kept dry and can be furnished with a second set of outdoor furniture, a fan, and even an outdoor TV. This design effectively doubles your usable outdoor space and provides a shaded retreat on sunny days. 5. The grand staircase with integrated lighting. This deck is all about the grand entrance. The large, sweeping staircase is a central design feature, with a dramatic flair created by the curved steps at the bottom. The rich, dark wood tones of the stairs and railings are beautifully contrasted by the clean white risers and support posts. Integrated lighting on each step and along the deck's edge adds a touch of magic and improves safety at night. The lower landing provides a cozy, covered patio area, perfect for a protected conversation nook, while the upper deck offers a spacious spot for lounging and dining. 6. The dual staircase deck with lounge zone. This beautiful high deck is designed for serious outdoor entertaining. The generous space is clearly divided into a large dining area and a comfortable lounge section with an L-shaped sofa and fire table. 2 sets of stairs lead down from the deck, making for easy flow and access from different parts of the yard. The black metal and white post railings are a classic combination, and the built-in planters are filled with vibrant greenery, adding a lush, natural feel. This design is perfect for a large family or for anyone who loves to host gatherings. 7. The covered outdoor kitchen and lounge. This stunning 2-story deck is a masterclass in combining form and function. The upper level features a beautifully designed covered section with an outdoor kitchen and bar, making it the perfect spot for preparing and serving food, rain or shine. The stone fireplace adds a rustic touch and a cozy ambience. An open seating area for dining sits adjacent, providing a perfect spot to enjoy meals with a view. The clean white posts and dark metal railings create a sophisticated and modern contrast against the rich wood tones of the deck floor, while the stairs lead gracefully down to a crushed stone area, blending the structure seamlessly with the landscape. 8. The curved deck with stamped concrete patio. This high deck design features a graceful, curved shape that softens the home's exterior lines. The white support posts and railings with black spindles create a classic, elegant look. The deck floor itself is spacious enough to accommodate both a dining table and a grill area. What truly elevates this space is the stamped concrete patio below, which adds a unique texture and a dedicated second seating area for those who prefer to be on the ground level. The seamless transition from the deck stairs to the patio makes the entire backyard feel like one cohesive, well-planned entertaining space. 9. The sweeping curved staircase deck. This stunning deck design is defined by its breathtaking, sweeping curved staircase. The stairs themselves are a major architectural feature, with their graceful arc and a mix of white and dark brown wood tones. The deck's upper level also features a wide, rounded balcony, perfect for enjoying a morning coffee. The continuous flow of the curves creates a soft, inviting aesthetic that is both luxurious and visually captivating. Potted plants at the base of the stairs add a welcoming touch, making this deck feel like a grand entrance to the backyard. 10. The multi-tiered entertainment deck with hot tub. This multi-level high deck is a true example of maximizing outdoor living space. The design incorporates multiple octagonal platforms, each serving a different purpose. One level is dedicated to a cozy seating area with a fire pit, while another holds a dining set. The showstopper, however, is the sunken hot tub, beautifully integrated into its own dedicated platform with a secure railing, creating a private and luxurious retreat. The use of various tiers adds depth and visual interest, and the built-in planters with decorative flowers add a pop of color, making this a functional and aesthetically pleasing outdoor haven. As you can see, a high deck is so much more than just a platform. It's an extension of your home, a new perspective on your property, and a space for creating lasting memories with family and friends. The right design can transform your entire backyard into a functional and beautiful outdoor retreat. So whether you're dreaming of a cozy covered space or a sprawling multi-level entertainment hub, there's a high deck design out there for you. If you loved these ideas, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're planning your next home project, be sure to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiration. What's your favorite high deck feature? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.